Unit 2 is tension member. Tension member covering the topic is types of sections, net area, net effective sections for angles and entities in tension. Design of connections in tension members, use of rectangles, design of tension splits, concept of shear lap. Tension member also known as a tie members. The section should be compact and in order to minimize stress concentration, it should so arrange that large portion of a spool is connected to the gusset plate. Here you can show the common sector tension member, that is L-type, angle sections, I sections and channel section and etc. Next, design strength of a tension member. The design strength of a tension member is the lowest of the following strength value. That is a three category. First one is the design strength due to yielding of cross section, rupture strength of critical section and block shear. Design strength due to yielding of cross section, that is PG equal to AG F of I gamma m naught, where Fi equal to yield stress of the material, AG cross area of the cross section, gamma m naught partial safety factor for failure in tension by yielding, that is 1.1. Design strength due to rupture of critical section, that formula strength of plate PDN equal to 0.9 AN F of I gamma m naught. Here AN equal to P minus N into D naught plus summation of P S square divided by 4 G8 into T. Here AN equal to net effective area of critical section and T naught equal to diameter of hole, P is equal to zigzag and C equal to gauge distance. For threaded and rods and bolt, PDN equal to 0.9 AN F of U gamma divided by gamma ml. Here threaded rod means that value AN equal to 0.78 pi d square by 4 for threads. Next, you can see here PS equal to W plus W into T. As the effectiveness of outstanding leg is less, the design strength is covered by rupture net section is given by PDN equal to 0.9 ANC F of U gamma ml plus beta into AG naught F of Y gamma ml, where ANC equal to net area of the connected leg, AG naught equal to cross area of the outstanding leg. Here the P naught equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 divided by T. The F of Y divided by F of U into PS by S, that is less than equal to F of U gamma m naught F of Y gamma m greater than of 0.7. Here W is nothing but outstanding leg width, PS equal to shear leg width and LC equal to length of end condition, T equal to thickness of leg. For fulfillment design as per IS code 800 recommend PDN equal to alpha AN F of U gamma ml. Here alpha value is for 0.6 for 1 or 2 volts, 0.7 for 3 volt and 0.8 for 4 and more volts along the length of connection of equivalent weld length. Here design strength of block shear at the connected end, failure of tension member may occur along a path involving shear along one plane and tension and a perpendicular plane along the fastener. This type of failure is known as block shear. Here IS 2007 recommends the following block shear strength. TDB is boarded connections are used. It should be smaller of PB equal to ABG F of I by square root of 3 gamma m naught plus 0.8 ADN F of U gamma ml, or otherwise you can use another formula TDB equal to 0.8 ABN F of Y the square root of 3 gamma ml plus ABG F of Y gamma ml. Here ABG is nothing but minimum cross and net area in shear, ABG and ADN equal to minimum cross and